What is a wood effect tile? A wood effect tile is a porcelain material that imitates real wood flooring. When people come to Tile Merchant, they want a wood floor look throughout the home, but they're worried about a busy household and a high traffic area. So this is the perfect solution. It gives you the warmth and texture of wood, but it gives you the highest level of durability. So now we're going to talk about some benefits of wood effect porcelain. So our main one is the durability. These are porcelain material, the hardest material you can have on your floor. So they are welcome to a high traffic family, pets, you name it, it's high durability. Another benefit of our wood effect tiles are they are completely waterproof. People ask us all the time, can these go in a bathroom? Absolutely. They're fine, they can work on wet rooms, they can work in high moisture areas. People ask us, can we run them throughout the house? They work in wet areas as well as dry, so they can be used in living rooms, hallways, bedrooms, kitchens, throughout the home. Another benefit of our wood effect tile is they're textured and imitate real wood flooring, so they bring warmth into your home. These are also a very low maintenance product, so they're easy clean and easy to maintain for years and years. So our main benefit of the wood effect tiles are the highest level of durability. Most people come into us and they have a new build home, but they also want a new floor that's going to be long lasting and last for years. This is the perfect floor for you because it's stain resistant, high scratch free resistancy, and basically high durability surface finish. Where can we put wood effect tiles in our home? We can put them throughout the home. In our bathrooms, our kitchens, our bedrooms, entrance areas, and even outside. We try to answer all our customers' questions in this video, and one of the main questions we get is how to choose the right wood effect floor tile. We have over 14 colours and styles to choose from, and usually the rule of thumb is to choose the larger tile for the larger space. Throughout this range, so you can try your samples at home, we have free sampling in store and available to order online.